Hi everyone and welcome back. Hope you all are doing well and taking precautions while going out. So let's see what's there in today's video. Today I will show you how I am arranging my cabinet. My cabinet is not very big and I can say not too small also. So I am going to arrange all my tea and coffee cups by using some organizers. Look at these pretty hooks. I will be using them to hang few cups. These hooks have very strong adhesive and they can hold big cups very easily. I bought this from a local supermarket. If I get its link, I will surely provide you. For arranging more cups, I am going to use this metal organizer. It's a two-layer rack, and also I am going to use a vertical cup organizer for all my remaining cups. This way I can arrange all my tea and coffee cups at one place. As you can see, I have some space left, can be used for other things. You can also use this type of plastic 3-layer rack for arranging your cups. I will show you how I used this rack for my cabinet. Because it has 3 layers of storage, you can arrange more things together. I am using two baskets and in between keeping a tray so that I can keep both the baskets together and utilize the empty space. By using few tricks, you can organize even your small cabinet with lots of things all together and save your counter space for other work. Let me tell you about this beautiful oil diffuser. It will leave your room with nice fragrance. This beautiful looking oil diffuser I bought from Miralink website, which is an online shop from where you can buy this type of amazing products in very less price. Miralink will provide you free delivery, cash on delivery and very easy returns and replacement. Please do check the link below in the description box if you wish to buy this product. This diffuser comes with a scented oil. You just need to put few drops and your entire room will be filled with nice aroma, very useful for kitchen and living room. Also, if you're not comfortable in online purchasing, you can just use the WhatsApp link which is there in the description box and you can buy the product. It also has a small button. If you just want to use it as a tea light lamp and not the aroma, you can just switch off the button and it will work as a tea light. Hope my tips which I have shown you in this video will help you in some way to organize your kitchen also. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Bye and stay safe.